Sauvignon Blanc is a grape that thrives in a range of climates and regions. It is grown in both the Old World and the New World, and each region brings its own unique expression of the grape. Loire Valley, France Sancerre, and Pouilly-Fumé. The Loire Valley, the historic home of Sauvignon Blanc, and the wines from Sancerre and Pouilly-Fumé are some of the most famous expressions of the grape. Sancerre wines are known for their flinty minerality, citrus flavors, and refreshing acidity. Pouilly-Fumé wines often have a smoky, gunflint aroma, hence the fumé in the name, and are slightly richer than those from Sancerre. Touraine. Another important region for Sauvignon Blanc in the Loire Valley is Touraine, which produces more affordable, everyday wines that still showcase the grape's crisp, citrusy character. Bordeaux, France. In Bordeaux, Sauvignon Blanc is often blended with Semillon, and sometimes Muscadet-Leto create complex, fuller-bodied wines. In regions like Gravesend-Pessac-Léognan, these blends are often aged in oak, resulting in rich, textured wines with flavors of citrus, herbs, stone fruits, and vanilla. Sauternes. In the Sauternes appellation, Sauvignon Blanc contributes acidity and freshness to the blend, balancing the intense sweetness of the botrytized grapes. These wines are famous for their honeyed richness, with notes of apricot, marmalade, caramel, and spice. New Zealand Marlborough. New Zealand has become synonymous with Sauvignon Blanc, particularly from the Marlborough region. Marlborough Sauvignon Blancs are renowned for their explosive aromatics, featuring tropical fruit notes like passion fruit, guava, and pineapple, along with green, herbaceous flavors of jalapeno, grass, and gooseberry. These wines are often unoaked, crisp, and lively, with zesty acidity. Hawke's Bay. Hawke's Bay, on the North Island, produces Sauvignon Blanc with a riper, more tropical fruit character. The wines from this region tend to be rounder and fuller bodied than their Marlborough counterparts. California, USA, Napa Valley, and Sonoma County air, key regions for Sauvignon Blanc in California, where the grape is often made in a variety of styles. California Sauvignon Blancs can range from crisp and fresh, similar to those from New Zealand, to fuller-bodied oak-aged wines with more complexity. In Napa Valley, producers like Robert Mondavi famously coined the term fumé, Blanc d'eau market, an oak-aged style of Sauvignon Blanc. These wines often exhibit flavors of citrus, melon, fig, and tropical fruits, along with subtle oak-derived notes like vanilla, toast, and spice. Sonoma County. Sauvignon Blanc from Sonoma County tends to be more fruit-forward, with bright acidity and flavors of grapefruit, lime, and green apple. Some producers also experiment with oak aging, though the majority of Sonoma's Sauvignon Blancs are fresh and unoaked, showcasing the grape's natural vibrancy. Chile Casablanca Valley and Lleida Valley are two of the most important regions for Sauvignon Blanc in Chile. Thanks to the cool, coastal influence of the Pacific Ocean, these regions produce crisp, aromatic wines with flavors of citrus, green apple, and tropical fruits. The wines often have a refreshing minerality, similar to those from the Loire Valley, and are typically unoaked. Central Valley. Chile also produces more affordable, everyday Sauvignon Blancs from its Central Valley. These wines tend to be fruitier and less complex, with flavors of tropical fruits and citrus. South Africa. In South Africa, Sauvignon Blanc is primarily grown in cooler coastal regions like Constantia, Elgin, and Walker Bay. These regions benefit from cool ocean breezes, which help preserve the grape's acidity and fresh flavors. South African Sauvignon Blancs are known for their crispness and often combine tropical fruit notes with herbaceous and mineral elements. Constantia, in particular, produces Sauvignon Blancs with a distinct grassy and green pepper character, often compared to the wines of New Zealand. Australia. Adelaide Hills and Margaret River Area, two of the top regions for Sauvignon Blanc in Australia. The cooler climate of Adelaide Hills produces Sauvignon Blancs with vibrant acidity and flavors of lime, passion fruit, and gooseberry. In Margaret River, Sauvignon Blanc is often blended with Semillonto, create fuller-bodied, more complex wines, sometimes with oak aging. Austria. Although less known for Sauvignon Blanc, Austria produces some stunning examples, particularly from the region of Styria. Austrian Sauvignon Blanc tends to be herbaceous and mineral-driven, with flavors of gooseberry, green apple, and lemon, often showing a resemblance to the wines of the Loire Valley. These diverse regions demonstrate Sauvignon Blanc's remarkable versatility and adaptability. Whether in cool climate regions like Sancerre or coastal areas like New Zealand's Marlborough, the grape thrives and expresses itself in different ways, making it a globally beloved variety.